Let's take a look at how we can ingest a model so we can replace this crate here. Make sure you're in Remix and that you have a capture selected and open. So this would be the asset that we're wanting to replace. Make sure that we're in the Ingestion tab up top. Once we're in the Ingestion tab, make sure that we're in the Model section. Just like with textures, you'll need to have an output directory that's within your project folder. Select that. And then just like before, we're going to need to select an asset from outside our project. For me, it's the wooden crate. This USD already has textures assigned and in its own folder. So once I import this, it'll also go through and set those up as well. Let me remove all these others from the queue just so you can see what's going on here. All right, and we hit add to queue. Same thing, it's going through, converting any of the files that you have. You can import an FBX or you can import a USD. It'll convert them to USD. Make sure the textures are assigned. If they already are, it'll convert your material to the new PBR material that works with Remix, and then it'll ingest it and drop it into that folder. Now that you've done that, you're able to go through the modding section, go to replacements, and from there you should be able to just replace that asset. Have fun!